Welcome to Cannabis Meditation Part 2. First off, intake your cannabis before meditation. Next, begin with some prostrations. To do this, one must be standing, kneeling, or sitting. Fold your hands, then place your right palm in front of you, touching the surface ahead, then the left palm as well. Now, touch your head to the surface and slowly move your hands over your head. Next, repeat the entire movement. It is a way to clear one's chakras and do away with bad karma. When you feel you are finished, move on to meditation. If you have trouble getting into the meditative state, try chanting the mantras you hear.
Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum.
Continue meditating as usual. Enjoy the music and have a blessed and peaceful day.